In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects in Draw.io for Confluence. Grouping in diagrams is perfect when you want several shapes to move, resize, or format as a single unit, and ungrouping lets you quickly break them apart again when you need to fine-tune one piece. Start by opening Confluence and putting the page with your diagram into edit mode. Click the diagram to open it in the editor so you're looking at the canvas with your shapes. Next, select the objects you want to group. Click the first shape, then hold Shift and click any others you want included. You can also drag a selection box around them to grab several at once. If you're working with connectors, make sure their endpoints are included so they stay attached to the group. Zoom in a bit if the selection is tight. Accuracy here saves time later. With the shape selected, right-click anywhere on the selection to bring up the context menu. If right-click is restricted in your browser, use the main menu or toolbar option to access the same grouping command. The key is that your selection remains active when you open the options. Choose Group. You'll see a single bounding box appear around everything you selected. From now on, you can drag to move the entire set together and resize from any handle to scale it proportionally. Formatting like fill color or font can be applied to the group, and it will cascade to the items inside. You can still edit a shape's text by double-clicking it within the group. Connectors maintain their relationships, so flows stay intact while you reposition the group. When you need to ungroup, click once to select the group set. You should see just one selection outline. That confirms you've got the group itself. Right-click and choose Ungroup. If the option looks disabled, you likely clicked an individual shape. Click the group outline again and try once more. Some diagrams have nested groups, so you may need to repeat ungroup until you reach the level you want. If you prefer the keyboard, use your system's standard shortcuts for grouping and ungrouping to speed things up. That's it. Open the diagram in edit mode, select your objects, right-click to group, and right-click to ungroup when needed. When you're finished, save the diagram and publish your Confluence page so the changes are visible to your team.